Hi guys, welcome back. I've got a new vehicle in my garage. It's a Piaggio Ciao from 1985. It is the vehicle that all the 14th aged people in the 70s and in the 80s used to drive. You know, it's another way of riding. It's not like the DT. It's when you feel you've got to slow down, that's the right thing to use. It's like the grandfather of all the modern electric bicycles. Last time I dismantled the rear brake system because it was not braking properly, but I forgot a little important thing. Okay, there we go. Okay, last time it was pretty dirty. There was a lot of grease and maybe oil. So I want to make sure this oil seal is not leaking, because in this part there is oil because there are some gears inside. I don't think it's leaking. I don't even know if there's enough oil, but you've got to check it with the part mounted on the bike. Always remember to polish also this part. Okay, so maybe because of all the years it was just a lot dirty, and it is probably not leaking oil. Also, the front brake is not working properly, and so let's see if it is just dirt as the rear one was, or if I've got to replace the brake shoes. I can clearly see I haven't got enough movement on the brake lever up there. I can let this bracket here to make, for example, this part of movement from completely free spin to about like this, but as you can see it's not braking enough. Or I can make, for example, from here to here, so it brakes enough but it's not completely free to spin. Seems like the spring hasn't got enough power anymore to return it completely, so that the wheel is not able to rotate completely free when I release the front brake lever. I just want to show you how to change the springs, or I don't know, change the pads. You just take off the old ones, these are the new ones, put it in there like that. And the most difficult part is to put it in place. So seems difficult if you don't know the trick, but it's pretty easy. Just put it like that. So that it can all engage the pedals. So you just put it like that, and then Yeah, that's how you do it. And look at that. It completely returns in place. Love it. Let's put it back in place. So after lubricating the cable, it is a little bit better, but not that good. If I want the wheel to be enough free to rotate when I release the lever, it doesn't break that much. You know, it breaks, but I can spin it. So there's only one thing left to do. I want this part to be a little bit more thicker, and I've got this 0.8 millimeters aluminium piece. So I'm pretty sure it won't come out this way, but it can easily slide out. So I'm just going to put a little bit of hot glue in here. Got to be fast. Okay. So yeah, still a bit cold. I don't have the number plate for now, so I've got to go in the countryside, at least for now. And yeah, the front brake works really good. So that's really a trick. When you think it's time to change the front pads, it's not really time. So yeah, I think the top speed is about 40, 41, so not that bad. Look at that, this is fast. No, I know it's not fast, but it's about 39 kilos, maybe 40 with the fuel. And you know, it's a bicycle, and it is also small. It seems fast when you ride it, because 40 kilometers per hour on a bike, it's not that bad. So let me know if you want me to learn how to wheelie on this thing. I'm not going to do the same type of video on the DT, at least for now, because you know, I'm really scared of breaking it on the ground. It's too beautiful to ruin it in that way. Oh fuck! I was really... If you don't know, ciao, it's a greeting in Italy. It's a friendly greeting. It's hello. Oh yeah, there it goes. Oh yeah. Oh, cool. Let's check if we've got enough fuel. What's that? Oh yeah, that's more than half of the tank. That's good.